Hi everyone, my name is Eleazar Salcedo and this is the final activity on the English exam course. For this activity I have chosen exam valid in Colombia PET, preliminary English test. I'm going to answer some questions and the first question is what is the purpose of the exam? And I think the purpose of the exam, I consider the applicants certified in B1 level common European framework or intermediate English level and mastery of the fundamental aspect of English. I consider that is the main purpose. Okay, the second question is what kind of people can take this exam? This exam is designed to help students identify their strengths and weaknesses to continue improving their day-to-day use of English. Also, it's designed for students with an intermediate English level English. I consider that this test is taken for to students who think in go to the university in the future. Some students or the younger students. Another question is what is the main goal of the exam? I consider the main goal of the exam is it is designed to help students to identify their strengths and weakness to continue improve their day-to-day use of English in addition to training and the ability to acquire experience and grow in the development of different types of questions. As we know, students must to know what are the different kinds or types of questions. We have multiple choice, false and true, and etc. Well, another question: what are the most significant characteristics of the exam? Well, I think they understand the main points of straightforward instruction or public announcements. Deal with most of the situation you might meet when traveling as a tourist in an English-speaking country. Ask simple questions and take part in factual conversation in work environment. And write letters or make notes on familiar matters. Another characteristic I consider is that this exam try to prepare or to prepare to student and develop in any environment, maybe in the street, in the home, the family, in the work. This is another characteristic. Another question: what skills are evaluated through the exam? This exam evaluates the four skills of the English language, as we know: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And by the last, given a clear and wide explanation about the type of questions the exam has and what the score is you can get, the lowest score and the highest one. I consider that this exam develop different kinds or types of questions. We have multiple choice. Multiple choice consists of a problem known as the STEM and a list of suggested solutions known as alternatives. Another kind is match is to adjacent list of related words, phrases, pictures, or symbols. Each item in one list is divided with at least one item in the other list. True or false? It must determine if the sentence says it is true or false. Blank with multiple options. It consists of a question or statements to which you respond by selecting the best answer from among a number of choices. A short communicative message. Create a short message according to expected by question between other. On the other hand, we have the scores. This exam gave us four levels of scores. The first score or go to 0 to 44, and that it means file the test. The second is the goes to the 45 to 69 points. That it means the student have to get Council of Europe level up, and another level is goes to the 70 to 84 points. That means the student passed the test. And by the last we have the last grade goes to the 85 to 100 points. That is mean the student pass with a merit. Okay, that's all. For this exam, the lowest score is 0 and the highest score is 100 points. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much and see you then.